Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start white label dropshipping with Shopify. So basically, white label dropshipping is a system whereby you sell a product on your Shopify dropshipping store and the product is going to carry your own brand. So unlike the normal dropshipping business whereby you set up a Shopify store, then you import product from supplier, when you're using a white label brand, now the product is going to come with your unique store name. So depending on the brand you are using on Shopify, now this is the brand that is going to come with the product you are selling on your store. So when customers see this product, they're going to believe you are the owner and the manufacturer of this product because it comes with your own unique brand. So this is good for scaling. So when you see that the product is doing fine, so you could actually outsource the product to an existing manufacturer of the product and let them manufacture the product for you in your existing brand. So this is going to cut down on your sourcing fee and also increase your chances of making higher profit with the product. So if this is something you would like to do, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started using the Shopify platform. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is, if you are yet to create a Shopify account, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to Shopify. So this is going to give you a 1 month trial to try out Shopify with just $1. All right, so you can get started with Shopify for just $1 and see how everything goes, and if it's something you can actually go on from there, you can continue from there. All right, so this is going to limit the cost of you setting up the whole Shopify business. So once you've created your Shopify store, the next thing you want to do now is to log into your Shopify dashboard. All right, so once you've logged into your Shopify dashboard, we're going to be connecting our Shopify account to the white label app that we're going to be using to import the white label product to our Shopify store. So for us to be able to link the white label app to our Shopify store, I'm also going to be recommending Spocket. So just like Shopify, I'm also going to add a link to Spocket at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, create an account with Spocket, and once you've created an account with them, what I want you to do now is to log into your Spocket account. So I'm going to log into my Spocket account, then walk you through how the whole process works. All right, so as you can see, I've just logged into my Spocket dashboard, and this is where we're going to be connecting our Shopify store to Spocket, because Spocket is what we're going to be using for the white label product we're going to be selling on our Shopify store. So once you're logged into your Spocket account, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on build your brand. So as you can see, it says build your brand, so click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to redirect you to the app we're going to be using for the white label. All right, so the name of the app is Jubilee. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to click on try Jubilee for free. So once you click on it, it's going to redirect you to where you can actually install the app on your Shopify store. So as you can see, it comes with a free plan, and it also comes with 14 days trial for you to try out the premium plan on Jubilee. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on install. So once I click on install, it's going to redirect me to my Shopify store, and it's going to prompt me to install the app. All right, so here I'm going to click on install. So as you can see, I've just installed the Jubilee app to my Shopify store, and this is the Jubilee dashboard. All right, so this is where you can actually import product from the Jubilee app to your Shopify store. So these are the white label products you can sell on your Shopify dropshipping store. So these are the niches they have. So they have cosmetics, they have eye makeup, they have skincare products, they have makeup accessories, they have body product, and they have hair care product. So basically, depending on the Jubilee plan you have, you'll be able to import unlimited product to your Shopify store. Because I'm using the free plan, so I'm limited to the type of product I'll be able to push to my Shopify store. So looking at the product here, so depending on the one you see, if you like it, you can just click on it and see how you can import it to your Shopify Shopify store. So looking at this one now, this is going to require me to have a premium plan with Jubilee in order for me to push this product to my store. All right, so you can actually scroll down, then see all of the products they have here. All right, so you can also check the pricing. So for example, looking at this, so this is going to cost you almost $10, and you can actually sell this for $20. So your profit on this is going to be $10. All right, so if you scroll down again, you're going to see all of the products they have here that you can actually white label on your dropshipping store and sell as if you are the owner of the product. So looking at this automatic eyebrow pencil here, is going to cost me $5, and it's going to cost me $5, and I can actually sell it for $25. All right, so my profit on this is going to be $20 US. All right, so if I like the product, all I simply need to do is come over here, then click on add to product. So here they're going to prompt you to choose a plan before you can actually add the product to your Shopify store. So they have 3 basic plans. So the first one, which is the starter plan, is going to give you access to Jubilee, and it's going to cost you $29 per month, and this is going to give you access to 25 unique products. And the second one, which is the pro plan, is going to give you access to 100 unique products, and the third one is going to give you access to unlimited unique products. So depending on the one you like, you have the opportunity to test them for free for the next 14 days. So if it's the starter plan, you can actually test it for the next 14 days for free. So you'll be able to import this product directly to your Shopify store. So on your Shopify store, you can now start selling them. And whenever a customer buys this product from your Shopify store, now they're going to receive the product with your own unique brand. All right, so this is basically how you can easily set up a Shopify store selling white label product. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.